recipe going today, guys. Like always, we keep it real. We're not gonna throw 50 ingredients at you. This is only 3 ingredients. It's a chicken macro enchilada, Macrolada, and all we have is 3/4 ingredients. We have chicken, cheese, sauce, canola oil. Okay, that's gonna be it. Canola oil, make sure you log this stuff. This is a bottle of oil. I know it says 0 calories on there, but it's a 1/4 a second spray. They do that intentionally so that they stay below 5 calories. If it's less than 5 calories per serving, they're allowed to put a 0. This sauce, once you bake it, it gets a little sketchy. So we're gonna go before and after weight. It was 289 before, and now it is 285. So we used 4 grams of this. So I'm gonna log 4 grams of canola oil for that. Make a note, 4 grams canola oil. Boom, now we're ready. 3-step process, guys. We're going to layer of chipotle chicken. This is boar's head. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to cover the majority of this. So it's gonna be chicken, spoon, enchilada sauce. We're using a basic one. They're all pretty similar. This part is not too important. Just a nice clean layer of that. Got the oven set to 400. As you can tell, that did not take long. We're gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna check it in about 15 minutes, 400 degrees, and then we shall grub. Look at that gorgeousness. So this potentially serves 1. We're talking about 700 calories. You can get the exact numbers right there. You know what you're working with. But you can easily double, triple this recipe for multiple people. Break it up or cut it in half, do it in thirds, do it in fourths for however many people you're trying to cook for. Or enter it using our 10-step homemade recipe video. That'd be easy to do as well. You can check out the instructions link for that in the description of the video below. I'm gonna give this a 44 out of 27 on the point scale.
That's really freaking good. Like, that tastes like a real enchilada. Wow.
Y'all, for real, this is a good one. Like, I'm not messing around. Go buy some enchilada sauce, some cheese, and some thick sliced deli meat, turkey or chicken will work, and work this up for yourself. We're gonna have the recipe and the ingredients. We broke all that down, but make it for yourself because protein and fat, low carb. You could also mix in some chips with it and fit those in no problem. So good. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Thank you for watching our content. If you like what we do here, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to turn on notifications for our future posts. You're also welcome to follow us here, or even here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.